Thousands of fresh chicken pieces begin their journey every hour.
Every piece moves at the perfect speed for continuous production. Each piece is sorted for consistent processing. An automated production line keeps the factory running non-stop. Advanced cameras inspect every piece with precision. A liquid marinade is applied evenly to every piece. The rotating drum spreads the marinade uniformly. The marinated chicken moves to the coating line. The production line reaches the coating station. A seasoned coating is applied evenly to every piece. Filtered water cleans every piece before processing. Filtered air removes excess moisture. The rotating tumbler prepares every piece for seasoning. Next, the chicken reaches the seasoning station. The cleaned chicken leaves the washing system. Every surface receives a complete coating. Loose coating is removed automatically. The coated chicken reaches the frying station. The fryer basket is loaded with precision. Now the cooking process officially begins. The hot oil begins cooking every piece evenly. The fryer lifts the finished chicken from the oil. The coating slowly develops its golden color. The crispy coating reaches its final color. Excess oil drains before the next stage. The fried chicken returns to the conveyor line. The final drops of oil are removed.
Controlled airflow cools the chicken slightly.
A final inspection ensures consistent quality. Advanced cameras inspect every piece. The bucket is securely sealed. Every sealed package is inspected. The finished packages are organized for shipping. The packaging line prepares empty buckets. Robotic arms place each piece with precision. Every bucket receives the correct portion. The package is prepared for sealing. Every package is checked for accuracy. Robots prepare the products for transport. Each shipment is checked before use. The finished products head to the loading dock. The finished products are loaded for delivery. Each shipment is arranged for safe transport. The fresh delivery is carefully unloaded. The shipment is sealed and ready to leave. The fresh products begin their journey. The shipment arrives fresh at the restaurant. Every batch follows the same production process.
The chicken is kept hot until serving. Fresh chicken is selected for the next order.
The finished product reaches the customer.
The final step begins with a customer's order.
I'd like the spicy chicken sandwich combo, please.
All right, 1 spicy chicken combo. Is that everything?
The customer takes the meal to the table. The crispy chicken is finally revealed. The first bite reveals a crispy coating. The freshly prepared meal is revealed. The meal is ready to be opened. Temperature control helps maintain quality. Careful processing creates a consistent result.
Freshly prepared meals bring people together.
Every step leads to this moment.
Enjoy the chicken. It's the best in town.
Oh, wow, it smells incredible.
I can't wait to try the spicy sandwich.
Millions of meals are served every year.
The waiting time is not bad at all.
Yes, it's quite efficient. Oh, there's our order. Here you go. Thank you for waiting.
The meal is now ready to enjoy. The process continues every day.
Every stage plays an important role.
Precision continues until the final serving.
It looks beautiful inside. It really does. I'm excited for dinner.
Now comes the first taste.
The kitchen receives the customer's order.
A fresh order is taken from the warming cabinet.
The meal is checked before serving.
The order is packed and ready.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next How It's Made documentary.